We have to start the current affairs of February month of 2020. First category is awards. President Ramnath Kovind presented President's Color to the INS Shivaji at a ceremony at Lonavala, Maharashtra. Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport becomes India's first single-use plastic-free airport. Okay. Next is Kashi Mahakal Express. Third private train begin from Varanasi to link three Jyotirlinga, Omkareshwar from Madhya Pradesh, Mahakaleshwar and Kashi Vishwanath. Next is Hindi ranked third most spoken language. First is English and second is Mandarin from China and third is Hindi. Raja Ravi Verma State Award for Art goes to Professor J.S. Khanderao for 2019 and Vasudev Kamath for 2020. Srikar Prasad entered in Limca Book of Records for editing films in 17 languages. Jadhav Payang, Forest Man of India from Assam, won the Swami Vivekanand Karma Yogi Award and 128th Commonwealth Points of Light Award for Malai Forest. He is known as the Forest Man of India. He belongs to Assam. Jadhav Payang. Motera Stadium, largest capacity with 110,000 seats of Ahmedabad, and AH-64E Apache and MH-60 Romeo helicopters from US worth of $2.6 billion deal with Donald Trump is settled. Vijay Advani become the US-India Business Council new chairman of Global Board. Kashmiri journalist Yusuf Jamil won the Pen Gauri Lankesh Award. Okay, these are the personalities category. Sanjay Kothari is the new CVC, Central Vigilance Commissioner. Rajiv Bansal becomes the new CMD of Air India and Amitabh Bhatt appointed as CEO of HAL. Okay, Atul Kumar Gupta will be the new president of Institute of Chartered Accountants. Okay, these red color written material is the trick to remember the things for a long time. Okay, Radhakrishnan Damani is this become the second richest person after Mukesh Ambani in India. Vinay Dubey become the new CEO of the Go Air. Ambala City bus stand to be renamed after late Sushma Swaraj. Sushma Swaraj is the former External Affairs Minister of India. Nobel Peace Awardee R.K. Pachauri passed away. He is the veteran in environment field in India. Veteran actor Manoj Kumar has been felicitated by the World Book of Records London with WBR Golden Era of Bollywood. Senior scientist Dr. Niti Kumar honored with Sarb Women Excellence Award 2020 for protein quality control machinery in human malaria parasite. Abhay Kumar became the new CMD of NHPC. Rajesh Kumar MD and CEO of Sibyl. Michael Maybach CEO of MasterCard. Now sports category. Baladevi Scottish Club Rangers Women FC. Dubai Tennis. Okay, Australia Open. The winner of men's singles is Novak Djokovic from Serbia and women's single winner is Sofia Kenin from the USA. BCCI considered 3 members in Cricket Advisory Committee: RP Singh, Madan Lal, Sulakshana Naik. Deepa Malik Parathlete has become the president of Paralympic Committee of India. Saurav Ganguly to be India's team goodwill ambassador for Tokyo Olympics, and the motto is United by Emotion. Bangladesh has won the ICC Under-19 Cricket World Cup 2020 by defeating India in final that was held in South Africa. India has won it maximum time 4 times and captain from Indian side is Priyam Garg. World's first bulletproof helmet developed by Indian Army Major Anup Mishra which can stop an AK-47 bullet under Project Abhedya. Kamya Karthikeyan, the 12-year-old girl of class 7 student, has become the youngest girl in the world to summit Mount Aconcagua, South African peak, whose height is 6962 meter in Argentina. It is a part of the Andes Mountain. Australian women presented the ICC Women's Championship Trophy in ODI due to their top position in ODI ranking from 2017 to 2020. Okay, Ben Stokes is awarded with the Sir Garfield Sobers Trophy, and M. O'Brien, 60-year-old, become the first deaf person to row Atlantic Ocean. Aditya Mehta and Vidyapuri won the National Snooker Championship in Pune. Ross Taylor from New Zealand, he is the very nice batsman, becomes first cricketer to play 100 matches in all 3 formats. These 3 formats are Test cricket, One Day cricket, and T20 cricket. ESPN awards female sports person goes to PV Sandhu, and male Male Sportsperson Award goes to Saurabh Chaudhary, shooter. Irfan Pathan, the medium pace bowler, and Pragyan Ojha, spin bowler, left-arm spinner, retired from the international cricket. Haryana's Prachi Dhankar 50 kg category won the Best Boxer award at Golden Girl Championship in Sweden. International Hockey Federation has awarded Indian men's hockey team captain and midfielder Manpreet Singh with Player of the Year 2019 award and Vivek Sagar Prasad Rising Star. Women's Rising Star Lalrim Siami Hockey Mizoram. Saru Ghoshal and Joshna Chinappa clinched the 77th Senior National Squash Championship. India will host the Junior Men's Hockey World Cup 2021. Robin Singh, UAE's Director of Cricket. Now, Research and Overseas category. Pakistan declared the national emergency to battle locust swarms. Okay, locust swarms, Tiddi Dal ka attack. 4th February is celebrated as the Independence Day of Sri Lanka, and in 2020 it was the 76th Independence Day for Sri Lanka on 4th February 2020, and Sri Lanka has topped in breastfeeding support policies and programs. Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina inaugurated the Ecoshare Book Fair in Dhaka. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh and the currency of Bangladesh is Taka. Maldives becomes 54th member of the Commonwealth. Astronaut Christina Koch returns to Earth after a record stay of 328 days in space. Pakistani successfully tested air-launched cruise missile Rad-11. Bangladesh and Nepal have agreed to sign a free trade agreement. DRDO started developing new strike range Parnash 200 km strike range ballistic missile. DRDO headquarters is in New Delhi and Chief of DRDO is G. Satish Reddy. ₹1 new note whose color is pink and green and dimension is 9.7 into 6.3 centimeters. Satya Jayate is written on that, and sign of Shri Atanu Chakrabarti is over there, and finance secretary, he is the finance secretary, and the picture is a picture that was printed on that note is Sagar Samrat Oil Exploration Riz 1974 ONGC. Cape Town's restaurant Gibson's Gourmet Burgers and Ribsas won Guinness World Record for 207 varieties of milkshake. Now, Ministries category. Pramod Agarwal assumed charge as the new chairman and MD of Coal India Limited. Pramod Agarwal. Okay. Next is Northeast Frontier Railway builds India's tallest beer bridge, 100 meters span of 555 meter in Manipur across Makaru River in Tamenglong. Manipur CM and Biren Singh launched Angan Fu Humba early paddy crop program in Imphal. COP26 will be held in Glasgow, Scotland. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Conference of Parties 13 Convention, the Conservation of Migratory Species and Wild Animals at Gandhinagar. Okay, in conservation list the two names are appeared, elephant and Indian bustard. PM Modi inaugurated Kashi Ek Roop Anek exhibition in Varanasi, UP. Delhi Assembly election, Arvind Kejriwal's party, Aam Aadmi Party won the 62 seats and BJP won 8 seats out of total 70 seats. And AAP win the again election in Delhi Union Territory. South Central Railway Zone become first in India to 13 energy neutral stations through solar photovoltaic panels. Secunderabad. India banned e-cigarettes in both domestic and international flights by BCAS. Restaurant on wheels established at Asano Railway Station, West Bengal. Now, states category. Goa's Khola Chilli got GI tag. Khola Chilli. Okay, this is the most important question of this month. Okay, Khola Chilli is from Goa got GI tag. Drones to be used for mapping of villages in Madhya Pradesh. Surajkund International Craft Mela 2020 held in Faridabad, Haryana. India's first glass flow suspension bridge to be built in Rishikesh, Uttarakhand. Government of Haryana to open Atal Kisan Mazdoor Canteen where anyone can afford the food of ₹10 per plate. Operation Nakel for auto rickshaws in Ghaziabad, UP has been launched. Haryana launched a reading mission. Tamil Nadu CM Idapati K. Palaniswamy inaugurated the Salem Cricket Foundation direct CDO schemes concerned to operate green industries. Delhi Police integrates Himmat Plus app with Uber for passenger safety. Pyar Ka Paudha campaign launched by Bihar. Kerala CM Pinarayi Vijayan launched Yadhav Warrior mobile app at Kochi, Kerala for public to inform police about drug abuse and drug distribution as. Okay. Next is Titabar. Okay, Titabar town is awarded as a zero waste town. Okay, declared as a zero waste town. GSI discovered gold deposits in Sonbhadra district of Uttar Pradesh and estimated amount is 3,350 tons of gold would be there. BIMSTEC Disaster Management Exercise 2020 held at Bhubaneswar, the capital of Odisha by NDRF. Dabolim Airport in Goa has got a state-of-the-art inline baggage screening system where passengers do not have to queue up near the X-ray machines to scan their baggage. Union Minister for Shipping Mansukh Mandaviya inaugurated the first floating jetty on the banks of Mandovi River, Goa. Andhra Pradesh CM YS Jagan Mohan Reddy has launched Jaganna Vasti Devana scheme for students of scholarship. Rupees 2300 crore is allocated for that project scholarship. Okay. Gandhinagar hosted cultural fair Vasantotsav at Sanskriti Kunj Gandhinagar. Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat is the theme for that festival. Okay. Fagli festival in Kinnaur is celebrated, and which means victory of good over evil in Himachal, and Losar festivals held at Dharamshala, Himachal Pradesh. Okay. Nimar Chilli festival held at Kasrawad, Khargone in Madhya Pradesh. Namaste Olcha festival held at Raja Ram Raja temple in Madhya Pradesh. Olcha is in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, that is all about current affairs of every month of 2020. Thanks.